Okay, along with the standard user interface GUI, we also get a tests harness which generates different test executions for the operations of the system. In this case, there's only one use case. So if we run the test harness, we get a collection of values ranging over strings, and the strings are, for example, some non-printable characters and printable characters. Numbers for the age have values like 1, -1, max int, max double, and the minimum double value. So these are some test values, and the system then gives a message to see what has happened, and all of those tests pass. Now, another thing that can be done is to generate Python. So if we have again our model, we load our model of the student and module system and type check that, generate design, and build Python, generate Python, then we end up with a file app.py in the execution directory rather than in output. In order to do this, you also need the UML to Py plugin, which is available from the AgileUML GitHub. And this generates the Python version of the application. So we have a class of students, class of modules, and again the relation between them. And then global operations to create a student, find out all the instances of the student, get a student by its primary key, which is in this case the student ID. And finally, again, the file, we have the register student operation. So we can write a program here to test that. We can register student, the same kind of values that we tried with the Java version. And that gives us a Python program which, assuming that you have a Python runtime, you can run that. And we get the expected result. So the functionality should be equivalent in this Python version compared to the Java version.